Well guys, look at them waves, it's rather rough out at sea today. I'm not too sure if you can see that, it does look like the rock down by the Mirador del Mediterraneo and Castel is getting battered. It is rather rough out at sea today. Wow, it isn't normally like this, guys, so don't be worried. It will hopefully change by the time you get here. Well, it is windy as hell. I am hoping you're able to hear me, guys. It is very windy today as well, which is unusual for Benidorm, man. We have had a few nice days here in Benidorm as of late, and now the weather's gone shit. Is it a blowback from the storm Ewan or heroin or whatever the bloody hell it's called that's battering the UK coastline? Who knows? Benidorm Crazy Marcus back once again. I'm zoomed in too much here. Take two. Benidorm Crazy Marcus back once again, guys, with a brilliant YouTube video. The best YouTuber in Benidorm, the hardest working YouTuber in Benidorm, and if you ain't watching me and my channel, then you must have a sad life. Joke of the day for you, here it is, guys. Bigger YouTubers than me actually copy some of the ideas I do. Benny Beats, the official album by me, Crazy Marcus, that's me, guys, is out now with such brilliant songs as Benidorm Forever, Fiesta Forever, Christmas in Benidorm, EDM Dance Anthem, Benidorm Hardstyle Christmas, Fancy Dress Madness. Such great songs on this brilliant album, guys. Total of 10 songs for €10. Brilliant price, guys. Get it now. The link is down below. Perfect Christmas present, birthday present, whatever you want to give someone, it's the best gift to give. Benny Beats the album, guys. All made by Crazy Marcus, me. Best album ever. However, it isn't a joke, guys. I wish it was, but hey ho. Apparently some YouTubers nowadays, they're running a bit out of ideas. Bit like me, to be honest, I do admit it. Check this out, guys, the bars are rather dead today. Not the only thing dead. God, I ain't seen this beach this empty since COVID. Oh well, the last storm we had, I mean. Even then it weren't too empty, there were still a few people out, but not many. Is Benidorm really this dead in January? I mean, we're coming up to the end of it. We have had a great month, but as you can see, like most stuff nowadays, it's changing, and yeah, Benidorm is going dead. I will say this as well before I forget. More scum in Benidorm, they have a new way of pickpocketing you. Now, I'm pretty sure you've all done it with your mates, like peg the clothes peg on their shirt and let them go out like it with a clothes peg hanging off their shirt. Quite a funny thing, really, ain't it, when you think of it? But no use as a con. No use to pickpocket you, guys. I mean, I will say as of late, I've slowly discovered that Benidorm has a bit of a criminal underbelly, a dark side to it. Winter in bars as well, they're getting them wrapped up warm, getting the sheets up. Looks like that is a meeting point for one of the Benifest groups, I believe, Euro clubs. Penelope's Beach Bar, great bar. So yeah guys, it is dead. Really dead. I mean, those bars that are open, they are slightly struggling, to be honest. Yeah, I'd hate to be a tout for a bar today. I mean, windy, it's cold, quiet, and you got to try and get people to come for a pint in your bar. Probably the hardest job to do today, really. Well, and today that's Benidorm. We have good years, we have bad years, we have shite years. I've had a shite year last year. But life really, ain't it? You laugh, you smile, and you get on with what I do every day. Filming. Same stuff every day, really. Jolly Rogers as well. Wow. What to say? What a missed opportunity, really. Sorry guys. Got my breath back a bit. Yeah, back to what I was saying. What a missed opportunity. Now, you've got a bar called Jolly Rogers, guys. Pirate themed bar, obviously. I mean, bloody hell, it's got Jack Sparrow on it. I mean, wouldn't the best idea make it fully pirate themed? Got pirate themed cocktails, staff dress up as pirates, maybe. Nope. The idea is make it boring as possible. God. People in Benidorm really are geniuses, ain't they? Back to out at the beaches, and of course, still no one on it. Literally dead. And our mugs doing something. Much as I love Mike, let me tell you something, he's an annoying old fart. What on earth is he doing? Oh, he's seeing if the foot washers are on. Yeah, foot washers are on, but not a single soul on the beach. What? Ah, fucking hell. I am ill. Guys, I am ill. I've still got this cough. Sue's ill as well, so I don't say she's given me the cough back. I started off alright today and all, and now it's just sort of got a bit bad. I really don't get paid enough for this shit, to be honest. Just like the thought of quitting has crossed my mind. Yeah, it's truthful, to be honest. I know it probably don't sound good to say, but yeah. Anyway, so yeah, Benidorm Crazy Marcus, loving and leaving you from a dead Benidorm. I'm really beginning to think now, where are people? I mean, if they just thought, oh, it's freezing, I'll stay in the hotel all day on all-inclusive bees. That's how the better do that.